how you tell a really compelling story using maps or drone imagery and pictures and videos and interviews and text. And so what we did is we made an open source version that any NGO in the world can use it. And I mean, we have a partner in Guyana, and they used it to explain why people should plant more mangroves and less concrete along the coast of Guyana, because concrete tends to take away from your coast and mangroves tends to build your coast, right? And protect you from storms, right? The same software is being used in India to help, I don't, young people tell people why they should drain standing water because Bangalore got hit with a dengue fever epidemic. So they were using our tool to create this. So it's basically, our customer is an important person. They're a local leader, but the for-profit world's not that excited about them. I mean, Esri would probably give them the software for free, but the skills to become a geospatial software operator are pretty high. And we're aiming for, can you do a Google sheet? Or can you do a Google presentation? Great. You can use our story mapping tool. That's our target user, right? This is the average person in the world, not the expert. So
non-technical users.
yeah, exactly. And the nonprofit sector is full of them. So that's basically what I get to do. My most successful project is Bookshare, which is the world's biggest library for disabled kids and adults. And so it has basically our tech breakthrough is taking ebooks to disabled people instead of audiobooks. And so, you have an ebook, it's 50 times cheaper than doing an audiobook. You can turn it into Braille, you can make it big, you can make it, MP3. If a kid only can afford a $10 MP3 player, great. We can give them a book on an MP3 player. So that's our biggest single project. And because we're a charity, we have a copyright exception. We don't have to pay a royalty to make the book accessible. And the publishing industry has been really supportive. Most of our collection, they just give us their ebooks the same time they send them to Amazon or Barnes and Noble or wherever. They'll send us those same books. So, they're all, technology. The technology exists, but this market's not interesting. Blind people, helplines in Zambia, and we can fill that gap. And so that's most of what I get to do is just talk to people all the time about how technology could be doing more. And I get to design products in my head because the market's not there. Often my idea is actually pretty advanced for this because I'm part of the tech industry. I get to see what people are creating. I know what people figured out 3 or 4 years ago, and I can actually apply that to the rest of the world. And it's fun. I mean, I love designing products and solving tech problems. That's kind of what I'm a nerd. I like it.
Right. And it's